Here I have BLUBOO Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open the screen that you want to capture. Let's suppose that you want to take screenshot of your settings list. And to take screenshot, you have to push power key and volume down at the same time, like this. Let me show you one more time. So if you want to delete, edit or share your screenshot, you can find it here in the gallery, in the screenshot album. Here is your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.